Divorce. Divorce may be termed as the end of married life. Hindus, Muslims, and Christians view divorce differently. There is a difference between divorce, desertion, and separation. Divorce. The English word divorce is derived from the Latin word divortium, which again is derived from dis, which means apart, and verter, which means to turn. So, divorce is the turning away of partners from each other. It is truly the complete turns from the way of life the couple had so far. Divorce introduction. Marriage is one of the universal social institutions of mankind. In almost all the societies of the world, both uncivilized and civilized, majority of the people enter into marital relationship at an appropriate age in their own way. Though majority of the people enter into wedlock, there is no guarantee that their marriage would ultimately end in success. Many marriages end in failures and wind up with divorce. The rate of divorce is fast increasing in many of the Western countries, posing a serious social problems. Concept of divorce. The term refers to the disruption of marriage relationship. According to Alan Key, marriage signifies the living together of two people upon the ground of love and the parenthood of children. Definition of divorce. According to the following sociologists, the definition are as Ian Robertson, divorce constitutes official social reorganization. Marriage has failed and it can be traumatic experience for all concerned. Wallace and Wallace, when a marriage doesn't have a sufficient base upon which to survive, it may end in divorce. W. P. Scott, in Dictionary of Sociology, divorce is an institutional arrangement for terminating the marriage relationship and allowing each partner the right to remarry. Causes of divorce. There are various tensions and irritations which are involved in the causation of divorce. Circumstantial or personality factors or defeats, personality differential, incompatible rules. Divorce among Muslims. Marriage among Muslims is a social contract as well as religious duty. It legalizes sexual relations between the husband and wife. According to Muslim jurists, marriage is a contract which has for its origin or object the right or enjoyment and procreation of children. It creates rights and duties between the participants. To a large extent, marriage is a contract between parties. Hence, every Muslim who is not minor and is of sound mind is allowed to divorce his wife, although it can take place by the mutual consent of both contracting parties, yet the husband's rights are greater in comparison to wife.